Learn how to assemble and install the stable rail by standard. The stable rail is compatible with traditional bed types, including beds with box springs, slats, and platforms. It is not compatible with adjustable base beds or beds with an extra soft mattress. Only use the bed rail with mattresses between 6 and 14 inches thick. Before assembling, remove all pieces from the box and identify each part. To begin, rotate leg B outward until the alignment markers line up. Then, use tool H to loosely tighten screw G until the leg no longer rotates freely. Repeat these steps on the other side so that both legs B are oriented away from the bed rail. Do not fully tighten set screw G in this step. Next, insert tubes D into legs B until the spring pins engage. Ensure the mattress grippers on D are facing upward. Find the holes in mattress guard F marked as Position 1. Align these holes with the holes in the bottom of legs B. Then, secure the guard by inserting the 4 bolts labeled K. Use the smaller tool J to tighten bolts K and secure the mattress guard in place. With the bed rail assembled, slide legs B underneath the mattress. Remove the yellow stickers from the bottom of leg C, then slide the legs downward until they contact the ground. Finish tightening screw G with tool H to secure the legs into place. Next, pull safety strap E to the opposite side of the bed by running it underneath the mattress along the foot of the bed. Undo the buckle and loop the safety strap around the bed frame. Rebuckle the strap and tighten it as tight as possible. The safety strap will secure the bed rail in place. Never use the bed rail without the safety strap secured. Ensure the bed rail is snug against the side of the mattress and installed at least 12.5 inches from the headboard. If you have any questions about assembly of this product, please contact our customer service team at 844-213-9667.